Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna see how to determine the range of index. But before getting into the video, let us try to take a quick recap of the previous video where we have discussed about a list, how to create a list, how to determine the length of a list, and invoking data types into that list. So let us proceed with the video today. Now say you have a mobile, a laptop, a tablet or an iPad. So these three things are gonna come under the gadgets. Now when you include these items in the list, you try to select specific items. Like when you want to have only a specific item, then you're gonna take the range of the index and then get the item. So let's see what is ranging of an index. Now say I will name these positions as 0, 1 and 2. So I want my list to include only the laptop and the mobile. So what I'm gonna do is simply write a code for this and get whatever required. So like this you can add as many items in your list and determine the range of the index. Like when you are specific to some items and you want that items only to be printed, then you can do it with the help of the ranging of an index. And when you want to append or add something into that specific program, what you're gonna do is just write dot append. So let us get into the compiler, and now let us start the coding by invoking new list, which is gonna include tablet, mobile, laptop, and let us take some more items also, a mouse and a keyboard. Now let us see how do we take the range of this index. Now what do you do is generally when you create a list, you try to print it out by adding the addressing it near the printing statement. Now if you run this, you're gonna get whatever value you have invoked here. Now when you are specific to some items and want only those items to be printed, what you're gonna do is just address it here and then take the index 0 to. We have seen in the previous video that whatever the position of the item, it will be starting from 0 and the numbers will continue afterwards. So to get a good knowledge on this video, I recommend you to watch the previous video whose link is provided in the description. Now I want to get my output where I want the things to be displayed are tablet, mobile and laptop. So I will set the position accordingly. I want 0, 1, 2. I'll say up to 3 and then run this. I will get tablet, mobile, laptop. So one thing you need to understand is that whatever you're gonna start with will be included in the list and whatever number you're ending will be excluded in the list. So if you say 4 here, you'll get up to mouse. The last one, the last number or position which you're gonna declare in the index will be deleted or excluded. Now let us see how do we take from the negative values. So let us see the indexing values here. Now say this will start from -1, this will take -2, this will take -3 and this will take -5. Now let us try to get the index. I'll take my index from -3 to -1. Let us close this and run the code now. Laptop, mouse. So keyboard is excluded. Whatever are gonna lie between -1 to -3, you'll get the output accordingly. Now let us put this aside. For the source codes, you may visit the website and try to understand the appending or adding the text into your program. Now I want my appending to be gadgets.append. Appending is a keyword provided by Python which is going to add in some values or numbers into your code. Instead of adding it in the main code, you can use the append statement and add the variable or a item. So I will say print gadgets. Now you run it, you get the item. So as you know, lists are ordered, you'll be getting in the same order. We will see the case of replacing, like I want my first item or 0th position to take another item. Now I'll simply say that insert, and I'll say the position of this and insert Android. So by using this, what you're gonna do is just insert some other item instead of the 0th position. Now you try to run it. So my first one will be Android, followed by tablet, mobile, laptop, mouse, keyboard. See, you're gonna just change the value of the index. Here it is 0. So there I'm going to place my Android and then just address it here at the end. Now let us try to extend the list. Year. So let us try to take some random years whose manufacturing year or something it would be 1920, 1930, 1940. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last value 50. So when you want to extend your list, what you're gonna do is add the gadgets first and then try to invoke what you want to extend. So this gadgets.extend here will extend this gadgets to the years. Now here you are going to address your gadgets. Now when you try to run this, you'll get tablet, mobile, laptop, mouse, keyboard 1980, 1920, 1930, 1940, 1950. So this is how you deal with the extend keyword. Now when you try to something with the if condition, now some item is missing or some item is available in the list, when you want to check it with the if condition. So whatever item you want to check, you are gonna just include this in the inverted commas. If mouse in the gadgets list, you're gonna print I am available. Now let us try to check the if condition. I am available. So when you try to add another input, like I'll say I am not available. So here what you're gonna do is simply change this item and add which is not there in the list. So I'll say Android. Now if I try to run this, I get I'm not available. When I try to run this, I'll get not available. Now whichever item is not included in the list, it will not give you the screen, like it will say I'm not available, because I'm going to add another condition after if condition. So this is how you deal with the conditions which we have discussed today. So if you have any doubts, you may comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. And for the source code, do refer to my website. Thank you.